Good morning, boys and girls. Here's our agenda for Thursday, January 14th, 2021. At 9:30 a.m., you have literacy. We're going to be learning about acrostic poems and looking at several examples before you create your own acrostic poem about your first name. Remember to choose adjectives that represent you. During this time, we're also going to take up yesterday's health work. So looking at substance use and abuse, key terms, and understanding what they mean. At 12:30 p.m., you have math. We are going to be learning about mode, and you have a Mode is Sweet activity. And in science, I have everyone building today. So grade 3s, you're going to be building pillars using papers. And in grade 2, you're going to be creating ramps and testing out all what you've built. So I hope you have fun building, be creative, and have fun. So today is no French because it is day 1. So instead, we have drama. We're going to be acting out our emotions. And I have a fun drawing activity and some fun dance breaks planned during this time. Boys and girls, remember that I am here throughout the day to help you. I will be in the virtual classroom. Simply click onto our virtual classroom and I am there to assist you. Also, remember to try your best and have fun learning. And remember, don't get frustrated. Always ask for help if needed. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls.